Hi, this is Venkadeshan, Department of Chemistry, St. Joseph's College, Kadalur, Tamil Nadu. அறத்தான் வருவதே இன்பம் மற்றெல்லாம் புறத்து புகழும் இல்லை திருக்குறள். Hi dear students, now we are going to see an elaborate topic, that is chemical kinetics, theories of reaction rates. Actually we are having two theories of reaction rate. One is collision theory, that was given by Arrhenius and Van 't Hoff, and second one is activated complex formation theory, was given by Irvings and Evans. Collision theory. So these are the assumptions for collision theory. Reactant species must collide before they react. Before the reactions, the molecule must collide. Because of the collisions, the bond will be break and new bond will be formed. And second assumption is the collision is more completed only the gaseous phase when compared with the liquid phase, because in the liquid phase the solvent molecules are involved, so that is why the collision is not much more complete when compared with gaseous state. Now take the reactions between A and B, both are in gaseous state. A, B react to give the products. Na and Nb are number of moles. For that reactions we are writing the rate equal to minus, that is a decrease in the concentration of reactants, minus dNa by dt, that is directly proportional to exponential of minus Ea by Rt. This is a factor that is called as collision factors. ZAB exponential of minus Ea by Rt. That ZAB is called as collision frequency or number of collisions per second. So here the exponential of minus Ea by Rt is how many number of molecules required minimum amount of energy to react. That is we are called as activation energy. Every molecule must possess minimum amount of energy in order to react. Next, for finding the rate constants, first you see consider this diagram. We are taking these two molecules A and B. Both molecules are going to collide. By the collisions, we are taking that the radius of A and B, that is radius of A is Ra, radius of B is Rb. So in the particular surface, in the particular area, these two molecules are collides. These two radius we are taken as here as the diameter, because d is equal to Ra plus Rb. For the circle of sphere we are write as pi r square, pi r square. R is Ra plus Rb. This we can write in the d form also. This is an d square also we can write. For that effective collision frequency, that is equal to pi Ra plus Rb square 8 pi kt by mu 1 by 2 Na into Nb. So this is from the diagram, that is pi r square, pi of Ra plus Rb square. Some books they are written as sigma, or in some book they are written as d diameter. 8 pi kt by mu power of 1 by 2. This is an average velocity of the gaseous molecules. In the kinetic theory of gases we have studied the different types of velocities. So that is when it is an 8 pi kt by mu. Mu is called as reduced mass. After the collisions the energy will be exchanged, so we are not taking this mass, that is called as a reduced mass, Na into Nb. Next, to find out the rate constant for the reaction. A plus B gives product. For this, minus d of A by dt, that is equal to k of A and B. Here the concentration of A we are going to write in the terms of number of moles by Avogadro number. Concentration of B we are going to write as Nb by Na. and substitute on the above equation. Minus d of Na by Na dt, that is equal to k of Na into Nb Na. This Na can get cancelled out, remaining as minus d of Na by dt, that is equal to k of Na Nb by Na. So here we are going to find out the rate constant, that is k. Then rearrange the equation. K is equal to minus Na by Na Nb d of Na by dt. We know that from the previous one, minus dNa by dt, that is equal to pi Ra plus Rb whole square 8 pi kt by mu 1 by 2 Na Nb exponential of minus Ca by Rt. So this is from the previous one. Now substitute minus dNa by dt to here. So for the minus in dNa by dt, you are getting only the positive value. So the k is equal to minus, it is plus Na Nb pi Ra plus Rb square 8 pi kt by mu 1 by 2 Na Nb exponential of minus Ca by Rt. These two are cancelled out. Then the remaining is Na pi Ra plus Rb whole square 8 pi kt by mu 1 by 2 exponential of minus Ca by Rt. Now we can simply take as k equal to Z Ab exponential of minus Ca by Rt. Now this equation is similar to that of the Arrhenius equation, A exponential of minus Ca by Rt. But actually the A is not equal to collision frequency, or it is in collision numbers, because for the more complex reaction the Z is not equal to A. Then in order to react, the molecule must be in some orientations. If the molecules are not in the proper orientations, they are not going for the proper collisions, then the reaction is not complete. For that, we are introducing a steric factor that is called as P. P is called as steric factor. So hence we can write this equation as K is equal to P of Z AB exponential of minus Ca by Rt. Thank you very much.